One of these business shows up in Google results. The other one is practically invisible, even though they both have a Google business profile. So what made the difference? Let me show you. It's easier than you think. You might already have your profile set up, but if it's not updated or optimized, it can be like opening a store with no sign, no lights, and a locked door. Nobody's gonna walk in. That's why today I'll walk you through the 3 steps to make your profile rank higher on Google Business Profile without doing any more work. The first thing you gotta do is make your profile searchable. First, you gotta have your name and describe your business like your customer would search for it, not how you would talk about it. Let's say your place is called La Esquina Vegana, which is great for branding, but not great for search. Instead, you can try the vegan corner and then a dash vegan street food in Miami. That will be much clearer because it tells people what you do and where you are. And it helps Google do the same. And the same thing goes for your description. You have to skip the same old vague, we're the best in town, come visit us type of beat. Instead, you should go with, we serve fast, affordable, vegan comfort food in the heart of Miami. Burgers, bowls, smoothies, all 100% plant-based. And you might be wondering, why would this work? Well, because it's way clearer and is searchable, which is the key to Google Business Profile. On to step number 2, you have to let your photos do the talking of your business. Because remember, your photos show up actually before your review. So yes, in this case, and as always, first impressions really do matter. Think of them as the cover of your digital storefront. But a profile with real and updated photos, that's the winner right there. So what kind of photos should you post? Well, there are always 3 that work. The first ones are photos of your product. I would highly recommend that you shoot these with natural light, a clean background, and always keeping it real. Think of it like something that people actually want to try and touch and eat. The second type of photos are photos of your team or the people around your business. And this is because faces create connection. Think about it. It's way easier to trust a business when you see people behind a brand or people in that store. And finally, you can share photos of your space. You can share photos of your storefront or of inside your space. That way, people know what to expect and what to look for and where whenever they go into your business. And if you can geotag your photos, it's one more sign that helps Google Business Profile understand where your business is at. And here's the part most people don't know about. Photos aren't just about how things look. They're part of how Google decides if and when to show your profile. So in short, photos equal visibility and trust. On to step number 3 is you cannot let it go quiet. And what do I mean by this? A lot of people don't know that Google deletes your business profile post after 7 days. So if you thought that if you posted once a month ago and you said, cool, I'm good to go, you're very mistaken. Because the truth is your profile has gone quiet. And when it's quiet, it gets buried in search. Because the goal of Google is that they want profiles that stay active with fresh content, always posting. And honestly, that's completely fair. Now, don't panic. This doesn't mean that you have to manually post every single week or every single day of the week. This is where Metricool saves your day and your calendar. Because with our auto lists, you can just write a few evergreen posts. You can think posts like promos, FAQs, behind the scenes, testimonials, and you can drop them into a list, set the frequency of the posting, and forget about it. Literally, Metricool will take care of the rest. And that will help your profile stay active and your mind to stay sane. It's literally like putting your content on autopilot, but with intention, because you're still in control of what gets posted, when, and how. Metricool just makes sure that nothing slips through the cracks without losing your voice or your strategy. And here's something extra if you manage multiple locations. Let's say you run the same brand on different cities. You can create a post once, then click on duplicate on brand to copy it into other profiles. Just select the ones you want, tweak the local info, and you will be good to go. And before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus. And it also might be the secret weapon most people overlook when it comes to Google Business Profile, and that is the reviews. If you've ever Googled a place and have seen a 5 stars with a bunch of recent comments, you know how powerful reviews can be, because those are the ones that make you go, okay, yes, I want to go to that place. And that's because they're not only a social proof. These literally will influence your trust, visibility, and click. So you can make this a habit. You can respond to reviews regularly, say thank you. And if it's a negative one, you can stay calm and be helpful. You can respond to all of your Google reviews from Metricool too. And this is without hopping from platform to platform. So now that I've told you all of the things that you have to do with your Google Business Profile, let's get into the recap moment. To make your Google Business Profile actually show up and work for you, all you gotta do is these 3 steps. A name and description your customers are searching for, real high quality photos to build trust to your customers, and consistent posting that will make your account stay active. And for that extra edge, you can also stay on top of your reviews. So if you're ready to make your Google Business Profile actually work for you, I've left a link in the description with everything you need to actually get that ball rolling. And these you can find all in one place. And I'm talking step-by-step guides, post ideas, pro tips, and of course, how to manage it all with Metricool. I'll see you in that blog, and I'll also see you in the search results. Bye, Metricooler.